Hi guys, so today we're starting out with the Coats Triple Moisturiser and we're just going to put this all over our face. Now I'm just going in with the Lily White Cosmetics Lip Oil, and this one is in the flavour Coconut and it's absolutely delicious and it tastes insane, honestly. So I'm just going over my brows because I always forget to do my brows, don't know why, but I always do. Now we're just going in with the Lily Duro Concealer. Guys, if you're looking for a really good affordable concealer, this concealer is the one. Honestly, I found it on TikTok shop. It is super creamy, super full coverage, and it's just honestly great. And it was like £3.99 when I bought it, but I think the highest I've actually seen it is like £4.99, but it's super affordable. But now we're just going to go in with this eyeshadow palette from P. Louise. It is from her Halloween collection from a couple of years ago, but we're just going to take this black colour and we are just going to messily blend this in. It does not have to be neat, but we are just going to create like a kind of smoky, grungy, vibey halo eye here. Now I'm just taking the kind of metallic-y blue shade here and we're just changing it up. I didn't actually know how this was going to go, but I thought instead of just doing a black smoky eye, we will just add like a kind of dark blue halo eye effect to it with some shimmer. So that is the vibe behind this. Then I'm just tightlining the top of my eyes as well with some black pencil, and I'm then just going in with the P. Louise mascara. Now this mascara, guys, honestly does not budge. It is waterproof, it's fantastic, the wand is insane, like it's honestly one of the best mascaras that I've used in a while. Now we're just taking these lashes by Lily White Cosmetics, and these ones are in the style Paris. These are also on TikTok shop, guys, so definitely go and check them out because these are a well used lash that I use in quite a lot of my looks. Then I'm just taking this blue liner by Peaches and Cream, and it kind of matched the kind of look that I was going for, so I just went with that vibe. Now I'm just moving on to the face, and as you guys can see, I'm starting off with a little bit of concealer, and then I'm just going in with a little bit of foundation. Because I knew I was actually going to be like creating a look here, I didn't want to go too heavy with the foundation, but I did want a good coverage as well, so I just used this foundation because the NARS foundation is fantastic, and if any of my clients know or anybody knows, then this foundation is amazing. I'm just setting all that with a little bit of Stay Matte powder. And I'm just going in with a little bit of bronzer because I didn't really want to not bronze in case it looked a little bit flat, but I've ended up just bronzing up a little bit so that we have got a little bit of contour to the face a little bit. Now we're just taking the Off the Record palette by P. Louise, and we are using the black water activated liner out of this. Now what is really good about this is these are super easy to use and you have got so many different colours. Now this one has got like all the browns, the whites, like the blacks, like all the kind of colours, but you do get them in like colourful colours and stuff as well, and I'm definitely going to pick the ones up because they are absolutely fantastic. But in this one I'm just using the black water activated liner, and I've just put a little bit of water on it and I'm just using it as like face paint. Again, these don't crack, they are really pigmented, as you guys can see, with these little detail brushes. Don't even know what I'm saying there. Yeah, with the little detail brushes it is super easy to use, and like you can't really go wrong with them. Honestly, it's been an absolute great find for me, and yeah, so absolutely love these water activated liners. I think they're fantastic, and I definitely need to grab the colourful ones because they are absolutely amazing. So this is where I'm just going in and I'm kind of doing like the kind of skull teeth. Now I'm going to say it now because I just noticed it once I posted it online, but I have done more teeth on the top than I have on the bottom, so just ignore that. But I did have to say it because it's been brought to my attention. So yeah, I'm just completely freehanding this, and I'm just kind of like filling in bits and adding little detail. Again, it's just a quick funky little skill. So I do go back and forth and I'm adding like little detail and stuff. I'm thickening up some of the lines and I'm just making it look a little bit more skull-like. Then I do go in with a little bit of the blue pigment that we used on the eyes, and I end up doing that on the lips as well, as you guys will see. But here again, we are just creating this kind of skull effect here, and I'm just going back and forth, filling out bits, making it thicker, adding bits, and yeah, just adding some detail and stuff. So now I'm just filling in like the nose area, and we are moving on to the lips as well here. I do just go in with a full black lip, then I just use this blue shimmer to like kind of coincide with the eyes, just to kind of keep it all looking the same. I actually really like this. Now I was just going to keep it all black, but I actually like the blue kind of flare with it, it's quite nice. So yeah, we're just changing it up a little bit. I probably could have went a little bit more with this and added gems and stuff, but maybe that one's for another look. So I'm just adding a little bit of that blue shimmer on the centre of my lips. Then I do actually get a little bit carried away and I start adding it to the full look, but I actually think it turned out even nicer, so I'm not too worried about that. But yeah, that's basically all I'm doing, and that is basically all I've done in this look. You could completely do the full face like this, it would look so funky, or you could just leave it like this, like I have. But yeah, this is this look. I hope you guys love. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, comment, all the usual jazz, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.